Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back downtown in Chattanooga. I'm walking around the south side with the Georgia photographer David Saylors and shooting black and white. Last week I did a video comparing RAW to JPEG files and how I was worried that RAW might be making me kind of a lazy photography, just taking snapshots and fixing everything in post. So this week I am shooting again on the R6 M2. I'm shooting everything in a square format, black and white, high contrast. Outside at f8, if we go inside anywhere, it'll be f2.8. But I'm trying to get the look I want in camera. I'm shooting only JPEG. It'll allow me a little bit of legal room. It'll allow me a little bit of wiggle room to make some minor adjustments, but not whole cloth adjustments like I would do with RAW. So let's take a look at some of the images we've got today. All right, I am here with, I'm gonna hold this down here. I am here with the Georgia photographer, David Saylors, and we have been walking forever.
Literally miles at this point. It's literal miles.
We started off down in the south side of Chattanooga at the Mean Mug coffee shop on Main Street, and we are now
we're at the river.
Yeah, we're at the river. So
there's the river. Literally right there. Yeah.
So David, what are you shooting today?
I'm shooting the Leica SL2 because it's my favorite camera in the history of ever, with a vintage lens. It's the Asahi Optical 28mm f3.5. It's an M42 screw mount lens from like the 1960s, but I love the lens. It works so well. And what are you using?
Well, I'm using the 28mm pancake I bought, and I'm shooting everything in JPEG today as an experiment. Howard, what are you doing?
I'm shooting everything in JPEG. I capture the RAWs as well, because my workflow is, if I get one that's really one I like, I'll drag that one RAW in and edit it. But 90% of mine come out of the camera and go straight into whatever I'm doing with them as a JPEG, with actually almost no edits.
And if you had to pick one particular spot in Chattanooga that's your favorite to go with photographs, where would it be?
I think it's the corner where Rowan Regency Jewelers used to be. Is that 7th or 8th where it meets Market?
Yeah.
We'll walk right by it.
Yeah, we will. Okay. I look forward to it.
All right, let's go.
We'll be back later. All right, we have taken a short break out of the heat to get some lunch at, where'd we go? Taco something. Taco Mac. Food is really good. Air conditioning was even better. A lot of talking was done. And then at the end of the day, we decided we had to get back up and head back to the car. So it is getting up near 100 degrees at the moment, and neither one of us really give a flip about taking pictures.
Yeah.
So we're headed back down to Mean Mug Coffee on Main Street, where we can get in an air-conditioned car and go home.
Tell me